So very obviously, we're going to attack the left-hand side first. So there's some factorizing here that's happened, so we can expand it. So that's going to be 3n times n, which is n squared, minus 3 plus 3n minus n minus 3. Let's expand this, minus 3 plus 3n. I'm not going to write the right-hand side every single time. We don't need to do that. We can now expand all of this in, so that's going to be 3n squared plus 9n minus 3n minus 9 minus 3 plus 3n. Let's now look at all the n squared terms. There's only one, so we don't have anything here to clean up. Then we have 9n minus 3n plus 3n. So these would cancel out, and it's just 9n, and then minus 9 minus 3 would be minus 12. So now we have 3n squared plus 9n minus 12. So what do? We're factorizing a quadratic where a, the value of a, is greater than 1. So we multiply minus 12 times 3, which is going to be minus 36. So what factors multiplied together would equal minus 36? It would be plus 12n minus 3n. I've got a whole video on how to factorize quadratics like this, so I'm kind of speeding this through. But it would mean that 3n squared plus 12n minus 3n minus 12. So this is obviously just equal to that. Now we just look at the first part. How do we factorize this? What's common between these two is 3n. What do I need to put inside to equal that is n plus 4. You repeat whatever you've written here again. Now what needs to go outside to be multiplied in to equal that? It's going to be minus 3. So then you write whatever is inside the brackets here once and whatever is outside the brackets here. And what do you know? What do you know? Can you see? It equals the right-hand side.